Hello, in this video I will show you how to set a header and footer in MS Word easily. Headers and footers are useful for adding page numbers, titles, names, dates to your document. Let's begin. First open your MS Word document. Now look at the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. To add a header, click on Header. This one is. You will see different built-in styles. Choose any style you like. For example, we choose this one. Now, type the text you want in the header. For example, I am writing a numerical assignment number 4. Now, if I want to add a footer, I will again go to the Insert tab and add a footer, and I will choose the style what I like. Okay. After finishing it, click on the Close Header and Footer at the top right corner, and that's how we can easily set a header and footer in MS Word. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.